Welcome. In this video we will see how to shut down the propellers of the drone, the DJI Neo, during the flight. For doing that we have to first change some settings of the drone. We need the controller, the drone and the goggles open. We go to the menu, we go to settings, safety, we go back down to advanced safety settings and we go to emergency propeller stop. We activate that. That says move both control sticks toward the bottom inner or outer corner simultaneously to stop the aircraft motor during the flight. Use with caution. We confirm. And now we are able to close the propeller, to shut down the propeller during the flight. What we are going to do, we take the sticks, we put them down and inside to the corner. For 2 seconds, it shut down. We can do either or inside or outside. It's the same. We do like this for 2 seconds, it shut down. This is an emergency operation to do because the drone will fall down and we are not able to rescue it. It falls down like a rock. But in some cases it can be useful, but it's also dangerous because when we are going to do like this for 2 seconds, the drone will move in this direction, and so it's not that it stays up here and go down. It will go back a little bit and will shut down, but with some inertia. As you can see here, I tried the drone move a little bit and then fall down.